So my kit essentials would be my MAC Fix Plus to hydrate the skin. I also love to spray that before I do my skincare routine and just to put it over the makeup to make the makeup look a little bit more natural. I also love the new Rouge Allure liquid powders by Chanel. They're absolutely beautiful. It's like a second skin on the lips. It's also buildable coverage, so you can do a very natural lip. I like to pop some on my cheeks as well. I love a multi-purpose product. And the mascara that I will never leave without, I wear it on myself and I swear by it, is the Extended Play by MAC Cosmetics. It's the only mascara I use on the bottom lashes because it does not run down or smudge under the eyes. Another essential in my kit would be the Lucas Paw Balm or a Glossier lip balm, just to hydrate the skin, the lips, and it's also fantastic to pop onto your cheekbones or your eyelids for a bit of a dewy finish. It's also a quick little go-to in the handbag.